Decorating ideas to make kids' room more fun. Decorating a kid's room can be a challenging task, especially if you want to make it fun and exciting for your little ones. But with a little creativity and imagination, you can transform your child's room into a magical and inviting space that they will love spending time in. In this article, we will share some decorating ideas to make your kids' room more fun and enjoyable. Use bright and bold colors. One of the easiest ways to make a kid's room more fun is by using bright and bold colors. Kids love colors, and incorporating them into their room will add an element of playfulness and creativity. You can use a combination of bright colors or stick to a single color and use different shades to create a fun and exciting space. Add a fun wallpaper. Wallpapers are a great way to add personality and character to your kid's room. You can choose from a variety of designs, including animal prints, cartoon characters, or nature-inspired patterns. A fun wallpaper can transform a plain wall into an exciting backdrop for your kid's room. Incorporate themed decor. If your child has a favorite character or interest, consider incorporating it into their room decor. For example, if your child loves superheroes, you can add posters or figurines of their favorite superhero characters. Or if your child is a fan of animals, you can add animal-themed decor like wall decals or stuffed animals. Use creative storage solutions. Kids tend to have a lot of stuff, so incorporating creative storage solutions can help keep their room organized and clutter-free. You can use fun storage options like bookshelves shaped like a tree or a castle, or toy storage bins that look like animals. Add a fun ceiling design. Most people tend to overlook the ceiling when decorating a room, but it can be a fun and unexpected place to add a little creativity. You can add a mural or paint the ceiling in a fun color to create a playful and exciting element in your kid's room. Use fun lighting. Lighting can make a big impact on the overall feel of a room. You can incorporate fun lighting options like string lights or colorful lamps to add a playful touch to your kid's room. You can also add a night light shaped like an animal or their favorite character to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Create a reading nook. Encouraging your child to read is a great way to foster their imagination and creativity. Creating a cozy reading nook in their room can provide a comfortable and inviting space for them to curl up with a good book. You can add a comfortable chair or beanbag, some colorful pillows, and a bookshelf filled with their favorite books. Add a fun rug. A fun rug can add an element of texture and color to your kid's room. You can choose from a variety of shapes, colors, and designs to create a playful and inviting space. A rug can also help define a specific area in the room, like a play area or reading nook. Incorporate interactive elements. Incorporating interactive elements like a chalkboard wall or a mini basketball hoop can add a fun and playful touch to your kid's room. These elements can provide a creative outlet for your child and encourage them to play and explore their imagination. Use wall decals. Wall decals are a great way to add a fun and temporary touch to your kid's room. You can choose from a variety of designs, like animal prints or inspirational quotes, and easily remove them when your child outgrows them. In conclusion, decorating a kid's room can be a fun and exciting experience for both parents and children.